Hi guys, it's Adam from Car Enhancement UK, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So it's really hard to show you on camera how to get the mirror cap off, but I'm going to show you. So push the mirror down at the bottom as far as you can. So just push it down and you'll see through the back of the mirror there is a hole there. See this? And then there's also a hole there, just at the side of my finger. And them holes correlate to that squeeze clip and that clip there. So what I did, I got a screwdriver through the top of the mirror on either side of that, squeezed them two, and then used another screwdriver to push that up, push it up like that. So the first one, you squeeze them two together, squeeze, and then push that one up, and then what you do is as soon as you've compressed them, you push it backwards and the clip comes out, and then once the clip comes out it reveals the full unit. So let's go ahead and do the next bit now. So if you're using what tools we used for the mirror, we had two small flathead screwdrivers and then just a pick to push the next bit. So the next thing that we're going to do is get the existing side repeater out, and this literally pulls upwards. Okay, once upwards, you'll see that it's got two little wires and there's a release clip there. So we're going to release the clip and we're going to just take the wire out like that. And that is this one removed. Next we're going to take the CEUK sequential indicator. First thing that you want to do is get it plugged in. So it plugs in with the clip to the back. So you can see there's two little lines there and there's two holes. You just want to make sure that they line up and push that in. And then what I always like to do before I do any putting back together is take the key, press the unlock, and make sure that it is actually working. Because the last thing you want to do is build all this back up and go, oh crap, I haven't plugged it in properly. At this point, if you haven't already, you want to be removing the protective film. And then the unit, start by pushing this side in first, and then it goes all the way into there, and you just heard it click. Make sure that you get it lined up and seated where it needs to go. If it isn't seated correctly, when you put the cap on, it'll look crap. I've done a really bad job of that, so I'm going to do it now, speed it up. There you go, look. So this needs to be flush with the plastic underneath. And once it's in, there's nothing else to hold it in other than these clips here and these clips there. And now it's a case of just popping the mirror cap back on. When we're putting the mirror cap back on, we're going to come at like a sweeping effect. So we're going to line it up on that side first, and then we're sort of going to go like that and clip it into place. So make sure that you line everything up at the bottom on this side. Push it in, and then push it in over there as well. Make sure that it's not loose. You don't want to be losing that down a motorway. Don't be blaming us. And then after everything's all back together, last thing you're going to do again is make sure that they're still working. One thing I will show you is there is a little tab here that the indicator unit sits over. So get it lined up there and then pop the little hole over this plastic clip and then slide it down that way. So as you can see, we've got the right hand side done. We've got the left hand side done, and it's like a nice beautiful little orchestrated symphony, perfectly in time with the front indicators. Bada bing bada bang, job done.